Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more banking comparisons. HSBC USA versus Citizens Bank, which one comes out on top? In this video, we'll break down the key features of HSBC USA and Citizens Bank, helping you decide which bank best aligns with your financial goals. For a deeper dive into their specific products and services, be sure to check out the links in the description below. HSBC USA, a member of the internationally renowned HSBC network, boasts a substantial global presence. This makes it a particularly compelling choice for individuals and businesses engaged in international travel or cross-border transactions. HSBC provides a wide array of financial products, including premier and advanced accounts, mortgages, personal loans, and various investment solutions. One of its most compelling features is its global view and global transfers functionality, enabling seamless management and transfer of funds between your international HSBC accounts. Furthermore, HSBC offers competitive foreign exchange services, positioning it as an excellent option for global citizens, expatriates, or businesses with international operations. The user-friendly mobile app and online platform ensure convenient digital banking experiences. Conversely, Citizens Bank concentrates its services within the northeastern and midwestern United States, prioritizing community banking. They provide a comprehensive suite of products, encompassing checking and savings accounts, credit cards, home equity loans, and personal financing solutions. Citizens Bank excels in customer service and personalized banking experiences. A standout feature is their student loan refinancing program, making it an attractive option for recent graduates seeking to consolidate or reduce their student loan payments. Moreover, their extensive network of local branches and ATMs provides convenient access for those who prefer in-person banking services. So, which bank reigns supreme? If international banking or frequent cross-border transactions are essential to you, HSBC USA emerges as the clear winner. However, if you prioritize a community-focused bank with robust student loan support and personalized service, Citizens Bank is the better fit. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs. Explore the links in the description below for more detailed information on both banks and make the most informed decision for your financial future.